5?
Yeah, just do this draw here. So be over there. Also, suspension of that green car.
The seat sucks because they filled it up with air again, and now it's just absolutely horrible.
Yeah, with a monster.
I also think I found that, like, a rock back there right before I got to you. I hit something.
Yeah, there used to be a log pile over there.
You're not a very good lawyer.
That's great. Oh, I think we'll get air.